working on the Cub today. So my rudder pedals have a bit of a awkward angle to them. Makes it a little harder to use the brakes, so we're going to move them forward. The way to move your pedals forward is the adjustments at the back. So right now you can see that they are full forward. Now I'm going to move it to this back hole here. It's going to give me a little bit of a more forward position on the pedals, giving it a little less of an awkward braking position. All right, we'll go see what it feels like. Okay. Make sure I still have full motion. Looks good. Feels way better. Now I'm adjusting the throttle linkages because it was a bit too stiff for my liking when I was almost set idle. Getting back on the power on short final was a little kind of hard or jerky. I took the cotter pin out, loosening this one just a tad, and then I'm going to put the cotter pin back in, and then it should be a lot better. The intercom and push-to-talk is officially fixed, although now I'm kind of toying with the idea of getting rid of the push-to-talk at the end of the stick, because I prefer resting my hand on top of it, just like the original one, like this. So I might move the push-to-talk down to maybe use it with the pinky, or maybe put it up here somewhere. I'm not sure yet. Thinking about that right now. All done. I got rid of the handlebar grip, and I put a push-to-talk slightly below where my hand position that I can access with my pinky, so it's out of the way for most of my flying. Installed a rubber boot on the horizontal stabilizer to protect it, as landing on gravel bars kind of shoots the rocks up on the stabilizer sometimes, so give it a little bit of protection. So I've been getting pretty high oil temps, so I removed the ducting and found that the intake hole for the air duct that goes to the oil cooler was a bit too small, so I dremeled it out. That's what it looks like now. This is before from the inside of the cowling, and this is after. Hopefully it helps with oil temps. Next thing on the list is an oil change, so pulled the plane outside, warmed it up, went for a quick little flight before draining the oil. Aircraft for a few minutes to check for leaks, and afterwards I cut open the oil filter and had a good look in there, make sure there's no metal shavings. Always good practice. It was then time to get out there and do a few takeoffs and landings on the local gravel bars.